So yeah, my name is Casey Clapp. I'm the Director of Project Management at Kaleidoscope. The co-op program was super important to me because I landed my first job out of college at the place I co-opted at. So excited to talk more about that.
Hi, my name is Abby Koenig. I'm an industrial designer here at Kaleidoscope. It was very interesting being a co-op here and now managing the co-ops. I think we really try to give them an educational experience alongside giving them work experience. Because we work so fast-paced, we need our co-ops to be doing real client work and working right alongside us.
UC co-op students are typically top of the line options when it comes to who we are selecting for our co-ops. A lot of times that's because of the experience through the co-op program at UC. I think we're finding out that a lot of other universities are trying to catch up on co-op and get those students real world experience. But I would say from a technical standpoint, UC students definitely are on par where they need to be when they start here.
My name is Daniela Tuesca. I'm an engineering co-op here at Kaleidoscope. I know that obviously what you learn is really important in class, but it's also more of the application. I think UC and the co-op program has set me up because I learned very early how to apply. By the time 5 years later, I'm really good at applying design work on an actual project.
Hi, my name is Titus Kesters. I'm a industrial design co-op here at Kaleidoscope. I knew I wanted to study design for a while, and really the co-op program is what stood out. So that was definitely the reason I chose UC. I think the classes have been very valuable for putting in the hours and refining a lot of those hard skills, but the co-ops have helped me a lot to learn more of what I'm interested in and also forced me to actually apply what I'm learning and figure out what that's like.
Hi, I'm Connor Carlson. I am a design engineering co-op here at Kaleidoscope. If you want to get a step ahead of the rest of your peers and find what you want to do before you're being thrown out into the full-time job industry, at a place like Kaleidoscope, you really get to touch every aspect of the end-to-end of a product development and many different industries as well.
I think the advisors in the co-op office have been really helpful, especially when it comes to looking for a co-op. I'm someone who has a lot of questions about where I have to work and all my requirements and making sure I do graduate.
I've learned a lot at all of my co-ops, and it's a really cool experience being able to learn a lot, especially focusing on developing hard skills during the semester.
These companies that are hosting students genuinely want you to find where you belong and genuinely want to teach you, and that's ultimately going to result in me enjoying my job and succeeding.